Okay, look at this. Come on, easy. Come on. Yes. See, using this blue. Look at this. Hello guys, so we got an automatic fishing float here and we're gonna open it and we have to make a review on it. So this one is what's inside. Okay, so inside the box we got float, the line, and there's three hooks here, so you can choose which size you want, and the fishing line stopper extra. So try it how it works. So definitely this line you have to put to your main line, to your fishing rod. And this one here, the stop thing, so you have to put to your hook. And this is spring, so this one who trigger. And if you get a bite, push down to engage here like that, and you can adjust here the spring depend to your stopper distance. So if you put the distance more closer in between this one up and down, so the spring there's more resistance going on. So spring more down, so once the fish is get a bite and it pull the line and it start triggering. So again have to put it down, spring, engage, then you put in the water, cast it, fish bite your bait, and it's good. Nice one. I'm gonna try it during our fishing and let's have a look how it works, performance giving us. Automatic fishing float, you can try it and order online or find your nearest house shop. I'll put also the link in the description which you can buy online too. Okay, thank you for watching. I'm gonna go fishing. Good.